Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I fixed a problem that I was having in Camtasia 9 with this black flickering effect, and how I troubleshooted to fix that problem. Alright, so I recently did a video for Arit on her Arit music channel, and I'll show you the video in a second. And we didn't realize the issue until it was too late and it was already uploaded, and we were doing the 80-20 rule and we couldn't really go backwards and fix it. But it was still bothering me, so I ended up finding out what the problem was and I was able to fix it. So I'll show you the video here on YouTube. And it had already gone out. Luckily it was only a royalty-free song that people can download, and so that it wasn't like an actual crazy music video. If it was, we would have had to take it down and fix it. But because it was more of a casual video, we decided, okay, let's just leave it up, and for future we'll figure out the problem so we don't replicate this. So I'll play the song for you right now. And the issue was I didn't even notice it. I was so far into the editing that there's this like black flicker thing that keeps happening every 6 seconds, and I didn't realize it until Arit pointed it out to me. So I'll play it right now. So I created this feature here in Photoshop, and then I did some Camtasia stuff. But you can see it keeps flickering, right? It keeps doing this like weirdo flicker thing every 6 seconds. Now, sometimes you get these issues on Camtasia where you need to think outside the box in order to fix it. So here's how I fixed this problem. So I'm here in Camtasia right now, and I'm going to import the original clip. So I've got the clip in here, and I'm going to put it on the timeline. And as you can see, this was 6 seconds. I was able to get this. This is kind of like it's not really a GIF, but it's like a moving photo, and I was able to create it in Photoshop. And I got it to, the clip is 6 seconds, and so I had to duplicate it to make the entire song. So you see here, like, this happening over and over again. It's just continuously going because I duplicated the video background over and over again. This is like a really simple type video with like a moving image type thing. So anyways, I had duplicated it and it was like this, right? I'll replicate it for you here. For like 3 minutes it was like this, right? And in Camtasia you can't see that black flicker effect happening every 6 seconds. So I'll just play it for you here. Just going, and it might be lagging because I have so many things set up here, but you don't see this black flickering that's happening. So I didn't know that it was happening until it was already too late. So you might be having this issue if you're working with some footage, and here's how I was able to fix it. And maybe you guys are having this problem. That's why I'm deciding to create this video, because it might be happening to some of you out there. So I'm just going to delete these 3 here, and then I'm just going to work with this one right now. Now what I noticed was every 6 seconds this black flicker is happening, because each of these, like this clip is 6 seconds. So it's happening like at the beginning and at the end of the clip. So what I did was I zoomed up like this, and at first I thought it was because I didn't put the clips close enough together. I thought maybe I had left like a little gap or something, like a tiny microsecond of a gap, and then I duplicated that, and that's why that was happening. I thought that was the issue at first, but it wasn't, because I had rendered it like 3 times and it still had this issue. But it wasn't until I think the 5th or 6th that we fixed it here. So what I've done here is I've zoomed in on the timeline. It doesn't have to be maximum. It could be 1 less than the maximum here. And so what I'm noticing is that there's this black flicker effect happening every 6 seconds that I do not want in the video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clip the beginning and the end of this video, and I did that in hopes of it disappearing, and luckily it did. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go 2 frames in, and how you know it's a frame is because when you click the period button here, you can see it goes 01, 02. These aren't seconds, like these are like within seconds. So it's at 1 frame, we're at 2 frames right now. I'm going to click the split key to cut it, and then I'm going to go at the end here, and I'm going to click the comma key to go backwards. 1, 2, highlight it, click the S button to split it, and then I'm going to delete the end and delete this part, and that's what had fixed the solution. So I'm just going to zoom out here. Now sometimes you might encounter problems in Camtasia that aren't easily solved, and you need to think outside of the box. You need to think differently. How can I fix this? So now what I would do in the future when I use these types of clips again, I'm going to clip the first one in the beginning and at the end, and I'm going to click Control C to copy it, Control V, and then I'll copy this, Control C, Control V, and now there's 2. This is a faster way. Instead of doing it one by one, you kind of just multiply them. So I'm going to go Control C, Control V, and then if you do it again, it's going to make it even longer and faster. So now you see I've got a whole bunch of them rather than just doing one by one each time. So now these won't have that flicker effect that keeps happening throughout. And I'll tell you, I was really happy when I figured this out because it was bothering me so much. And it still bothers me right now that it's on that video. But that video has a bunch of views already, so we're not going to take it down. It's the 80-20 rule. Is it going to make or break the video? No, it's not. It's sort of a visual for the people to listen to that song. That song, by the way, is a copyright-free song that Arit did. Feel free to download that if you want to use that in your videos or projects. Feel free to download that. So that is it for this video. It was a little bit of a different one. It was like a troubleshooting. I just wanted to share this experience that I had and how, you know, it was a problem and then I was able to fix it, and I wanted to just share it just in case you guys were going through any of the same thing. So if you like these Camtasia 9 videos, head down to the description below, as I will have a bunch more free tutorials for you guys. And you know what? If I was able to help you out at all with any of my Camtasia 9 tutorials, I would really appreciate if you guys subscribed to the Arit music channel. You don't need to subscribe to this one, you can if you want, but we are really trying to grow Arit's music channel, and her music channel is right here, Arit Music. We'll also have a link in the description. It would mean so much to me if I was able to help you out if you would go and subscribe to her channel. Alright guys, well thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Back from the dead.